With color variables in Sketch, you can create colors that sync up across your document, share them with others through libraries, and make updates that happen instantly across every layer that uses them. Let's dive in and see how they work. Let's start with a simple example. When I choose a fill color for this button, you'll see we have a new option to create a color variable from it. All I need to do is give it a name and hit save. Now it's available to apply to any other layer in this document. If I select one, I can click on the new icon next to the fill color well and apply that color variable I just created. Now here's the cool part. If I open the color well, choose edit variable and make some changes, they'll automatically apply to all of the layers that use it. Let's take things a step further with a more complex document. We've already set up color variables here, so we can make sure our color scheme stays consistent across our design. Let's apply one to this pricing information. If I select the text layer, there are two ways I can apply a color variable. For quick access to existing color variables, I can click on the icon to the right of the color well, or I can click on the color well itself and open the color popover. From here, I can select the color variable from the swatches at the bottom. In previous versions of the Mac app, you'll have seen color presets here. That's still the same for gradient and image fills, but for solid colors, you'll see color variables instead. If you had any solid colors saved as global presets, we'll automatically convert these into color variables and make them available as a library for any document that uses them. You can switch between your document color variables and ones that belong to libraries here. For now though, let's apply the color variable called Winter Bliss. You can see a color variable's name by hovering over its swatch. But what happens if we edit this Winter Bliss color variable? Let's take a look. If I choose Edit Variable, change its color, and hit Update, you'll see the rest of the design changes to stay in sync with it. And that's the magic of color variables, a foundational building block for your design systems, and the best way to keep colors in sync. And when it comes to updating older documents, we've added color variables controls to the Find and Replace color sheet, so you can get things synced up in a snap. That's color variables in Sketch. To find out more, head to sketch.com today.